Hey everyone, this is Dominic with Roto-Rooter doing a continuation off of the last video. The camera seemed to want to turn off, so I'm going to continue forward. This is again in Orangeburg now. Right here there does appear to be a severe amount of blisters. So I will go ahead and go out and mark it after I get the camera through. I just want to make sure this doesn't shut off on me again. And then I'll go locate that spot outside. Again, it does seem to be a little bit of water in the line, but that's only because I'm scraping the bottom. Right here, again, more blisters. These are pretty bad. All things considered, it will probably cause a backup in the near future. It does need to be addressed as soon as possible. Right here is again another blister, and this is the end of which I can get my camera through, which means that a backup will be imminent if this is used in the future. I will not push my camera past this point, specifically because of the big old blisters that are blocking my way. As you can see, if I try to jam my camera in there, I'm probably going to get it stuck. So I'm going to pull back. You can see that tight little crevice of which is allowing water to pass through, but any saws that come into contact with that probably will back up. So I'll make sure to locate this spot and then the beginning of where the transition starts from cast iron to Orangeburg, so this can be addressed. Again, this has been Dominic with Roto-Rooter. God bless.